What I have here is a Nokia ta1100, which is not charging. It seems like the charging port is broken inside. How did I found is plug it in, and when you move it, it's not doing. Something's talking there. I'll get another charger. Yeah, it's another charger. See that? It's increasing. Now it's been increased. When I leave it, doesn't do that. When I do this, like when I push it up, it charges. When I leave it, it doesn't charge. So I believe it's got some broken pads in there, or pins, whatever it is. Got some broken things. So try to show you how to do it. So we'll have to remove this first, and it's got a finger scan. So this, it might have been connected to the motherboard, so it's got a flex, but we need to be careful with it. I can just use my blade and then some plastic bits. We'll have to warm it up first, so let's just warm it up and go ahead and do it. Warm this up first. So once that is heated up, pry open a little bit like this and squeeze the plastic in there. It goes in easily. So this seems like it's been opened before. So yeah, the way it's opening up seems like it's been opened before, but it doesn't matter now. It's going to be opening up. So yeah, the flex is around here, around this area, so be careful with that, and it should be okay. I don't know why it's holding up so tight. So when it does that, it's just trying to say that I want to break. So yeah, push in the frying tool and slowly warm it up again. It's gonna open very easily. See that it's open already. So once that opens up, I can just squeeze it some more and then warm some more. It's gonna come up easily. About to open now. Let's give it a last hot air and then it will come off very easily. Yeah, there's the flex there, so got to be careful with that. I don't want to quickly release this back case because I might break the flex, so got to be careful. See, it's connected with this cable here. See that? So got to remove that. I'll just turn it down and then use a Phillips screwdriver. All of these has to be removed with it, not just that bit that comes off. All of the connectors has to come off. Or what I can do is, well, I'll have to clean it, so we'll remove that. Otherwise I could just remove this and take the charging port out. Now let me show you how this looks like. So you could just remove these screws. This is quite easy to do, but the problem is I'll have to clean this up, and if I break this while cleaning it up, it's a bit of a headache. So let's open that up and do it easy that way. So Trox screwdrivers. So yeah, this just comes off. I don't have to do all these things. Just to clean it up, I was opening that. Otherwise I don't have to take it off. And this one, be careful while removing it. Oh well, let's remove this, as I don't want to break this flex. It might break while cleaning it. I don't want to do that, because then I'll have to get another one. I don't want to waste money on this. Instead, let's just remove it and keep it safe somewhere so that it doesn't break and I don't have to waste any money on it. So many screws. Once that is out, just remove this. Okay, this stays on the side. Now we'll have to look after this. See what's wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Have to look under my microscope. Let's go to the microscope now. This looks like these pins are broken. This one is broken. Even this one is broken. This one is broken. This one broken, and this one has pulled the pin with it. These three. Well, let's connect this and see if it works or not. Let's give it a try. Because I don't have a charging board. I'm just gonna solder them. If this happens, use some flux. So once it comes out, then it's easy to do it like this. Okay, seems like it's connected now. Now let's see. Let's connect it and see if it works or not. Let's just clean it up quickly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the inside as well. It looks like oily. Why does this look like so oily? Oh man, this looks so dirty. I'm just gonna use my brush now. This looks so disgusting. Okay, so it's a bit clean now, cleaner than before. This looks okay now. Let's try to connect it and see if it works or not. I don't have big hope for this, but let's see. It seems like it's charging. What I'll do is I'll put everything back in and wait for it to turn on, if it charges or not. So let's just put it on there, clip everything up, and let's see if it's charging or not. Let's see. Now it's gone to 120, 121 ampere. In the meantime, let me quickly clean this up. So I'm just going to pull it out like this. So this looks okay now. I'm gonna put them together. So let's see. So yeah, let's just put everything back in. Here we go. So this is just gonna be a temporary fix. I'm gonna have to remove it in a few days, so hopefully it's not he won't be upset with it. Let's just charge it for a while. That's alright. I'm gonna order a new one. I'm gonna put a new one on it. Until then, keep the phone with himself. He can bring it later on, and I'll put that one again. So that's all. So yeah, thank you very much, and have a good day.